In today's video, I'm going to teach you Webflow Ecommerce tutorial for beginners. How to create an e-commerce website with Webflow 2026. We'll start right inside your Webflow dashboard. This is your control center for creating and managing sites. From here, look for the option to create something new and click New Site. That opens up the creation flow and sets you on the path to building your e-commerce store from scratch or with a head start. Next, choose how you want to build. Webflow gives you three solid options: a template, the AI site builder, or a blank site. Templates are perfect if you want a ready-made structure with pages, sections, and styles already in place. The AI site builder is helpful if you want Webflow to do some of the heavy lifting by generating a layout based on your prompts. And a blank site is ideal if you prefer full creative control and want to design every component yourself. Pick the route that matches your comfort level and timeline. If you go with a template, take a moment to browse. Look for templates that explicitly support e-commerce so you get product pages, a cart, and checkout ready layouts. Pay attention to the overall style, minimal, bold, editorial, and check that it aligns with your brand. Review the homepage, product detail pages, and collection pages to ensure the structure suits your catalog size and the way you want to showcase products. It's also a good idea to preview how it looks on different breakpoints so, it's responsive out of the box. Once you've selected your starting point, it's time to customize. Swap placeholder logos with your own branding, update color tokens and fonts to match your identity, and rewrite text so your voice comes through clearly. Replace generic images with real product photos and adjust hero sections, banners, and calls to action to reflect current offers. On product and collection pages, update sample content with the categories and items you plan to sell so you can visualize the store structure as customers will experience it. Use the style panel to keep spacing, typography scales, and component states consistent across the site, and lean on symbols or components for repeating elements like headers, footers, and announcement bars. So one change updates everywhere. As you tweak layouts, use preview mode frequently to check interactions and mobile behavior. Save your work often and iterate until the site feels cohesive, fast, and intuitive. That's it. Great job getting your e-commerce website up and running in Webflow. With your site created, your template or layout chosen, and your design customized to your brand, you have a polished foundation ready to showcase products and start selling. Congratulations.